guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the multiple platform strategy and regarding the print on demand business and how you can make more money regarding the multiple platform strategy and what this strategy is all about. So I'm going to be talking about that. So let's get straight with that. Before we go part, consider clicking the like button. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing because I'll be uploading more such videos. And also I have a bunch of the free stuffs for you. The freebies are in the link in the description box below. Or simply head over to globalcreative.com, head over to the freebie section and download all the graphics, pattern, textures and KDP interiors for making your own print-on-demand designs for your own KDP books. So the link are in the description box below, yes, and also complete the full commercial license so you can use it. Now let's talk about the multiple platform strategy, what it is all about and how you can use it to make more money while your print-on-demand business, or even if you are an artist or a designer looking for selling your art and designs online, then this strategy is exactly for you to make more money and to have a balance in your business and all. Let's get straight with that. So what I really mean by multiple platform strategy, I think I've made this term by myself only, guys. I haven't heard this term anywhere in the online space. Let me know if you have heard about this term before. I would really love to hear about it. But I made this term by myself, multiple platform strategy. Now, what does it really mean? It's all about that having a multiple platform, using these multiple platforms for making money online. Like if you're starting with your print-on-demand business, you are not just uploading your designs or your art on Redbubble or on Teepublic. You're using different other platform as well to make money online. Now let me explain the different criteria about this strategy because I made this strategy by myself. So multiple platform strategy, I developed it because I started with my Redbubble in the first place and the Redbubble account has been suspended. I've already made a bunch of videos talking about why it got suspended and what were the situation and all. So you can check that all those videos in the card section above. But after suspension of my Redbubble account, I had really no choice to turn around to different platforms for my print-on-demand business online. Although I have multiple different businesses, but for my print-on-demand business, it was over when the Redbubble was gone. So I started with different platforms like the Teepublic, the Society6, the Jazzle, the Spreadshirt, or even the Display, and different other platforms to make more money by my print-on-demand business. And also, if one of the platform goes away, then I'm in a proper shape and I'm not out of my print-on-demand business. So that's what the strategy comes into the place. I took it almost like 4 to 5 platforms. Like my strategy is that at least you can have 4 to 5 different print-on-demand platforms to get started with that. I'm not telling you to go for 10 to 12 because it will be a little bit more overwhelming to upload daily designs to 10 to 12 platforms at one time. So that's why I call it as like a 4 to 5 platforms. Depending on your threshold and how much you can do it, it could be like 4 platforms if you can do it. It could be 3 if you can't manage the 4. So depending on you, take the platforms more than one and start building your portfolio on those platforms. Like if you can upload 5 designs daily to each and every platform, go for it. If you're uploading 5 designs, that means you're uploading 150 designs in a month. If it is a 30 days of month, and if you can multiply by the 365 days, you can get how many designs you'll be having in that particular shop. So this is a platform strategy to at least have 4 to 5 platforms and start building these platforms at simultaneously at the one time only, like you're making the 5 designs and then uploading to Teepublic, the Jazzle, the Display, the Society6, the Spreadshirt, designed by humans, and so on and so forth. You can have the various list of the different print-on-demand platforms on your paper and then see which platform you can sell and you can get started with that. Use almost like 4 to 5 platforms so that even if one goes out of the corner, you are still there. Now, this is the way to do it. Now, I'm going to talk about the benefits of multiple platform strategy. The first obvious reason is that to have a multiple income of streams. Like, obviously, if you are having a multiple platforms, then you'll be making more money because if you're just relying on single one platform, then obviously you're focusing and dependent on that platform only. But if you have more, then obviously you can have multiple different income streams. The second is that if one platform's go out of the corner, if you get any suspension or if something happened to that platform, you are still in a good shape to get your money from different other platforms. So that is the second strategy. The third strategy is, the third benefit is that having a portfolio, like building up your own brand. Suppose if you are building your own brand related to your own name or maybe related to your business name, that you can have a one business name and you can have multiple different shops on these multiple platforms, and you can have your own website for your brand as well, and then you can direct the people from the Teepublic shop to your shop as well, to your website as well, and can build your own personal brand or maybe a business around that stuff. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of having multiple platform strategy. These are the benefits, but obviously there are some disadvantages as well. The first disadvantage is that you need to manage all these platforms all at once. If you're a person who don't have that much of time, who can only afford 1 hour in a day, then it would be a little bit difficult for you to manage all these platforms at one time and to upload 5 designs per day on each and every platform. It will going to take some time. So that is the one thing, that is the managing. The second thing is that focus. Like if you're a person who feel that you just need to focus on one platform at a time, and you see that when that platform is get set, ready to go and start making money for you, then you're gonna approach the second platform, then this strategy won't work for you because you are focusing on only one platform and you believe that focusing on one platform is the best for you. Then obviously go for that. Then this is a major disadvantage of this multiple platform strategy. Now these are the benefits and the disadvantage of multiple platform strategy, but I really believe in this strategy because it's working well for me. We can't talk about these third-party platforms. I mean, we can't rely on them. We don't know when one platform goes out of the corner. There should be a technical reasons, or they suspend our account, terminate our account, whatever it is. We don't know what are the different parameters to control it. So why to depend on just only one platform? And you can have different platforms across it, and you can get more multiple income of streams. Apart from that, you can also build your passive income route, the route of the passive income. Of course, you need to do a lot of work in the beginning to get that passive income all throughout the 5 years or 10 years. But in the 2 or 3 years in the beginning, you really need to work hard. So my strategy currently is that I'm going to upload my designs. I'm going to upload my art that I'm making for one platform on 5 to 10 platforms, like because I can work on the multiple different stuffs. Because I do all those multiple different businesses, so I can manage that. So that's why I choose, like, I currently uploading on the 5 platforms, but I will be adding 3 or 4 platforms more to that strategy, and then I will be uploading 5 to 6 design each day on each and every platform, and build a kind of like a portfolio of designs, and then we're going to allow those platforms to actually bring sales for my print on demand business. So this is about the print on demand business, because once I'm doing the work, I don't need to figure about the sales and all. Of course, I can promote my designs. I can promote them on the Pinterest. Pinterest is an awesome way to promote your design. Like, you don't need that much of followers. You don't need to go for the paid ads. You don't need to pay for anything. You can get started on the G1 itself, promoting your shop, and that's it. You can do that. But I don't need to rely too much on the sales, how much I'm making and all. So that's why I try to build like 5 to 10 platform, depending on the platform criteria, what's the strategy and all. And then later on, like I'm gonna do it for a year and so, and then I will going to build up a lot of the designs portfolio, because right now majority of my designs are there only on the Teepublic, and the other platform it's very few designs are there, very few products are there. So I need to upload more to build that platform strategy. And in the 1 to 2 years, I'm expecting to make solely more money from my print on demand business, just my print on demand business. So that is the multiple platform strategy. I hope you find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Are you agree with the multiple platform strategy or not? Or have you ever heard about this strategy? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.